Looking for a new security camera can be tricky with all of the different options out there. Even when you look on our website at nellysecurity.com, you might get a little overwhelmed with the options. In today's video, I want to walk you through the different options that you have when it comes to selecting a brand for your next video surveillance project. Whether you are an end user looking for a security camera for your home or business, or whether you are a professional security camera installer looking for the next brand to add to your line of products, Nelly's Security has something for you. This video is an update from a video we did a while back introducing you to our 3 video surveillance brands because things have changed quite a bit since that last video. We're no longer carrying our H-series line of products, and we have brought on a new brand since then. So without further ado, here is your complete guide to which security camera brand is right for you. Alright, first up I want to talk to you end users, those of you looking for security cameras for your home or your business. If you're looking for something cheap, wire-free, and cloud-based, something like Google Nest or Ring, this is not really the video for you. Instead, we're going to be focusing on professional-grade, hardwired options. You'll need to run Ethernet cables from your security camera to an Ethernet switch, and if you want to learn more about how all that works, we have tons of videos on our channels telling you what an IP system is, what an NVR is, what a PoE switch is. We'll leave some of those linked down below. And if you are a professional installer and you want to skip this part, you can go ahead and jump to this timestamp here. However, it might be worth it to stick around just to see what kind of products we recommend to our end users so that you have an idea of what to say to your own clients. Our main recommendation for end users is always going to be R-Series. This has always been the case, but there are a few nuances here that I want to point out. First of all, we used to say that R-Series is great for your smaller applications, such as for your home or for your small business, really anything less than 32 cameras, because at that time our R-Series NVRs only went up to 32 channels. That is no longer the case. We now have a beautiful 64-channel R-Series NVR, which means you can now use these cameras for a variety of situations, whether it's a small 4 or 8 camera system or something much larger. R-Series is going to be great for you. We also used to say that R-Series was the go-to brand anytime you wanted a security system with less features. Maybe if you are not super tech savvy, if you're a beginner in the world of CCTV, and this is still the case, R-Series is very user-friendly, easy to learn. It can pretty much all be accessed from your mobile phone. However, R-Series is continuing to grow. The cameras are starting to become more and more powerful all the time. And whereas in the past, if you wanted something with artificial intelligence, you would have had to move up to a camera brand like Uniview. That's no longer the case because most R-Series cameras do now support artificial intelligence. We have R-Series cameras that have active deterrence. We have R-Series PTZs. Our R-Series line of products is constantly growing. Every month we're bringing in new products. These cameras are getting new features. And for you homeowners or business owners looking for a security camera for your own personal needs, R-Series is here to adapt to a wide variety of scenarios. Now, if you are more tech savvy than your average homeowner or business owner and you really do want something more higher end than an R-Series product, then you can move on up to Uniview. Uniview is going to have a wider selection of cameras outside of your standard bullets and mantle domes and turrets. You'll also have access to larger PTZs, more diverse range of PTZs, fisheye cameras, that kind of thing. Uniview is also going to have more features than R-Series. It's going to be more customizable. There's going to be a lot more for you to tinker with. So if that's your thing, you can definitely look at Uniview. However, for most end users, we are going to recommend R-Series. Now, most of our audience at Nelly Security is professional security camera installers. Most of our customers are going to be purchasing these products to resell and install for their own clients. So for you security professionals, let's talk more in depth about these 3 video surveillance brands. First of all, if you are a security professional and you're not a registered Nelly's dealer, you need to stop what you're doing right now and click the link in the description below to sign up for our dealer program. It is free to sign up and to join. It's a really quick and easy application process, and it opens up a ton of benefits for you and your business. You'll get special dealer pricing. You'll get access to our branding program. You'll be able to join our exclusive dealer community, get exclusive dealer content and webinars and trainings, and we're always adding more value to that dealer program. So go check that out right now and then come back here and we'll talk about these brands. R-Series. Like we've already mentioned, we used to recommend R-Series for smaller applications such as residential and small business. That is no longer the case because R series is growing all the time. R series NVRs can now support up to a 64 channel system. So if you have installed R series on your smaller applications and have been looking for a way to integrate these in some of your larger jobs, now is your chance to do that. In addition to larger systems, R series now supports more advanced features such as artificial intelligence, active deterrence, 24/7 color. We now have a wider variety of form factors, including PTZs and wide-angle lenses. And it feels like every month we're getting more and more R series products. So if you haven't checked out R series before, really, now is the time to do so. Again, this is still going to be great for your smaller installations, your residential, your small business, but can now be added to your medium-sized to larger-sized businesses as well, especially if you have a client who's looking for something more cost-effective and something that's easier to use. R series is also a great option if you're looking for something that is fully brandable. If you're a part of our branding program, which is a free benefit to our registered dealers at Nelly Security, then anytime you purchase an R series product, we will brand it with your logo, assuming it's a standard camera that fits in our branding machine. We can't brand the PTZs, but we'll still brand the paperwork that you get. You'll get your own custom model number. You can download your own custom specs from our website that include your logo and your custom model number. This is a great way for you to sell your own brand of security products to prevent price shopping. Your customers can't just get on there and Google the model number and find a cheaper version of the product because you're the only person selling that particular product, that model number. And it's a great way to increase the professionalism of your brand, to become more recognizable in your industry, in your niche, in your community. So you can check out R series for those purposes. However, if you are looking for something more commercial, something that maybe you'll need more than 64 channels, or maybe you're just looking for cameras that are a little bit more high tech, something that gives you more customization for your clients, then you'll want to look at Uniview. Uniview is the brand that we brought on to replace our H series. It is fully NDAA compliant, meaning you can install these cameras pretty much anywhere. If you have a government client, you can install these NDAA compliant cameras there. Where Uniview really excels is in the balance between features and cost. Like H series, Hikvision, Dahua, Uniview is very cost effective for the amount of features that it provides. You get a lot of bang for your buck. These are excellent cameras with incredible imagery and a ton of features, and they're really not that expensive compared to some of the higher end solutions out there on the market. Now, when I say this, you have to understand that as a distributor of Uniview products, we are not allowed to display dealer prices on our website. We can't even display end user prices on our website. When you visit nellysecurity.com and look at some of these Uniview products, you'll see that price and you'll think I'm lying about the whole bang for your buck thing because it's gonna look pretty expensive. Just keep in mind when you log into your dealer account, that price is gonna drop dramatically. Even if you're not a dealer, if you're just an end user, retail customer, when you log into your account, that price is still gonna drop. Just because that price that we show publicly on our website is the MSRP. We don't sell anything at the MSRP. Uniview just requires us to display that. So don't get sticker shock when you go to our website and view these products for yourself. While this might sound annoying from a user perspective, this is actually great for you as a dealer because Uniview has a protected price channel. Nobody can advertise products lower than the MSRP. This gives you an edge as a dealer of Uniview products because you're gonna be able to cut your customers a really good deal. They're gonna look around on the internet and they're gonna find the same products for a much higher price than what you're offering, and you're still gonna be able to make a really good profit. Uniview is great because it is flexible. You can install these on residential properties. You can install these in your large enterprise solutions. Uniview can be used pretty much anywhere across the board. It's a really good Swiss Army knife solution to add to your tool belt. If you have a few of these on hand, you'll pretty much be prepared for any kind of customer that comes your way. This is our best-selling brand at Nelly Security. Most of our customers who shop with us are purchasing Uniview. We can't recommend them highly enough. And again, like our series, this brand is constantly growing. Now, if you regularly install Uniview, but would like to offer something more like our series every once in a while to your customers, there is also the UniArch brand, which is fully compatible with all Uniview systems. It's just a slightly more user-friendly and cost-effective approach to Uniview products. You can mix and match Uniview and UniArch products, so if you think you're going to be installing a lot of both types of products, Uniview is a great option for you. Now let's talk about branding because it's not quite as customizable as the R series products because most of our Uniview products do come with the Uniview logo. If it has the Uniview logo on it, we cannot brand it for your business. We can't stamp your logo next to the Uniview logo. We can't give you customized spec sheets or a customized model number. However, we do have a growing selection of Uniview cameras that do come in a non-branded model. And the way you'll find that is on the product page, just above the add to cart button, you'll see two versions, a retail version and a blank version. If you are a part of our branding program and you select the blank version, we will automatically brand that camera for you with your own model number, your own logo on the camera, and you can download your own spec sheets. This isn't available for every Uniview product we have, but it is there for a vast majority of them. The blank products in some cases do look a little bit different from the branded version, but specs-wise, pretty much everything is identical. Now let's talk about why you might not want to go with Uniview or R series. If you are regularly installing cameras in larger commercial capacities at enterprise locations, or if you're working on a job where country of origin is a big deal, then R series or Uniview might not work for you simply because both RaySharp, who manufactures our R series products, and Uniview are based in China. Also, while Uniview can be used in larger, more enterprise applications, it's not necessarily ideal for that. Now let's talk about Hanwha. Hanwha is not a Chinese-based manufacturer. Their products are made in Vietnam and Korea, and they are fully NDAA compliant. They're still not TAA compliant, however, at least the products that we carry currently. So if TAA compliance is a non-negotiable for you and your job, then Hanwha is not the brand for you. However, if you're just wanting something that is an alternative to Chinese-made products, Hanwha is great for that, especially if you go with their A-Series line, which is what we currently offer here at Nelly Security. Hanwha Vision A-Series is pretty much the equivalent to Uniview. There are quite a few differences, and we can get into that in another video, but for the most part, if you're looking for something that has the power and flexibility of Uniview, but something not made in China, Hanwha Vision A-Series is a great option. But Hanwha is so much larger than just that A series. Like I mentioned, if you're primarily installing for larger commercial applications or enterprise solutions, Hanwha Vision might be for you because there is so much to choose from here. And while we don't carry the entire line of products here at Nelly Security yet, we do plan on growing our Hanwha line at some point if we can see that the demand does exist for our customers. So if you have more enterprise solutions in mind and you have a Hanwha product that you'd like us to carry, reach out to us, let us know. We can always get that on special order for you. And if we get enough customers requesting some of these higher end Hanwha products, we will start carrying them in our warehouse. Since we don't carry these products, I haven't gotten to mess with them firsthand, so I can't tell you exactly what kind of features they offer, but I do know they are on the higher end. They're gonna be more expensive than Uniview cameras, but they're also gonna be more robust and again, more enterprise level. So just to recap everything we've talked about, 1, R series is constantly growing. If it's not something you've looked at in the past, definitely take a look at it now. It's going to be great for small systems, for your clients who want something cost-effective and user-friendly, ranging all the way up to those larger 64-channel small business, medium business applications. Uniview is the Swiss Army knife. If you want something that can be installed pretty much anywhere, Uniview is the go-to. Fully NDAA compliant, excellent bang for your buck. It has a powerful feature set, incredible artificial intelligence features, incredible imagery, durable cameras. We really have nothing but great things to say about Uniview, and for the price that you're getting these cameras, you can't find a better deal. Hanwha Vision is a great alternative if you're looking for something manufactured outside of China. NDAA compliant. Hanwha A-Series is comparable with Uniview in terms of pricing and feature set, and the growth potential for Hanwha far exceeds what's available in the A-Series line, making this an excellent selection for you installers who are primarily focused on larger commercial and enterprise jobs. And I think that just about covers it. I hope you have a better idea now of which security brand is right for you. If you have any questions about your unique situation, our experts are always here to help you out. Give us a call, 855-340-9999, or send us an email at customerservice@nellysecurity.com. Happy installing, and we will catch you in the next video.